Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today I'm going to show you how can you save all your documents from CamScanner. Few days back, 59 China apps were banned in India. One of the app was CamScanner. Most of them were using this CamScanner to scan their important documents and keep it in their phone. So now you can replace the CamScanner by an app, Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is an Indian app. You can use this. It is similar to CamScanner. Now I'm going to show you how can you save your CamScanner document in your Adobe. Before seeing the demo, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Now let me show you how to do that. So first you need to go to your CamScanner. Click on the document which you want to save it. I just click on the first HTML program. So here is a file of 12 pages. I'll click on more. Now I'm going to click on to album. So this 12 pages has been converted into a photos and saved in your album. So let me show it. First you need to go to photos and here you can see the 12 images over here. Let me select and show you. So here you can see the 12 photos has been selected. These are the 12 images of your CamScanner. Now you need to convert this images into a PDF. So for that you need to go to Adobe Scan. Let me show you. So now I'll open Adobe Scan. So this is the Adobe Scan. Here you have different options over here: whiteboard, form, document and business card. Now I'm going to select image option here. Here you have on the left hand corner you have image button. So I'm going to click on this image button. I'll select the images that has to be converted into a PDF. So here are the 12 images I'm going to convert into a PDF. I'll click on OK here, a right mark. So here images has been imported to Adobe Scan. Here you can see all the 12 pages in your Adobe. So this is the 12 pages. Now I'm going to convert it into a PDF. So you need to click on Save PDF. It takes few seconds to convert. Since I have not on my internet, it is showing waiting for uploading. I'll just preview and show you the PDF. So here you can see the PDF. So this is how you are going to convert your PDF in your Adobe Scanner. Now I'm going to click on share to copy. Now I'm going to click on save to file. Here I'm going to click on new folder. Folder name I'll give new doc 1. I'll click on done. So here is my new doc. So here I'm going to click on save. So this file is saved in your new doc 1 folder. Let me show that. For that you need to go to file. Here you have new doc 1. I'll click on. Here you have scan July 19, 2020 on 9:42 p.m. So click on that. Here you can see the PDF file. This is how you are going to save your file in your Adobe. If you like this video, please hit a like, share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel.